as a student, as a learner. Life is a school and experience is our teacher. Every experience comes to teach us a lesson. We are all continuous learners. Secret of health is also in living for others. Substitute competition with cooperation. Today we are busy competing. Life is a beautiful journey, but we have made it a race. Before we eat, let us offer a prayer. Before we go to our offices, let us offer a prayer. Before we go to meet a client, just let us offer a prayer. Simple, it will just take us 10 seconds, 15 seconds, but you will see that the result will be so beneficial. Therefore, let us learn the art of self-control. We feel that if we want Satyug on this earth, if we want heaven on this earth, we have to change others. But we have to actually change ourselves. The change has to begin with one.